again and again. This one is a peace lily, I think. Very red. Then this one is pink. Beautiful. Beautiful. But very expensive. I love also this color. Reddish. Nakaka-good vibes. Nakakawala ng stress. Diba po kayo? Wala na ba stress nyo? Kakatingin ng flowers. Everyday. It's good po ito pang gift, pang regalo. Para sa mga mahal sa buhay. But here in Japan, very expensive po eh. So, just taking a video, it's okay naman po kasi bibili naman ako ng ibang halaman. So, para sa inyo, watch this. Smile, smile kayo dyan. Very big po ang mga flower nyo. Imagine how big this flower. Amazing. Ang ating mundo ay napaka-amazing. Leaves also very big. Imagine that. Very big.